To keep the natural golden color, use teak oil, teak sealer, or teak protector. Making sure the furniture is clean and dry. Put a small amount of the oil on a soft cloth, then apply to the furniture following the direction of the wood grain. Simply let it air dry. To clean either finishes, simply wash all surfaces with a mild soap using a soft sponge. Rinse with clean water, then let air dry. To return the weathered furniture to its natural golden color, use a fine sandpaper to remove the weathered surface. Wash away the dust with mild soap and soft sponge, rinse with water, and let air dry. And don't forget, you'll need to apply teak oil, teak sealer, or teak protector, and explained in tip number 1.